Thank you, Madam Vice President. We align with the statement of the African Group. My government continues to take keen interest in the situation of Burundi as one of her close neighbors. We commend the government of Burundi for the progress they continue to register in governance and human rights for her people. Election of Burundi to this council is testament to this. In the last 3 years, over 13,000 refugees have voluntarily repatriated from Uganda to Burundi. This speaks volumes of the situation in Burundi. And whereas the report of the Special Rapporteur calls upon refugee hosting countries like Uganda to treat refugees with dignity, in the same spirit, we call upon the international community to contribute to durable solutions for resettlement and reintegration of Burundian refugees in the spirit of burden and responsibility sharing. We regret that this Council continues to consider this agenda item without consensus and support from the country concerned. If we may ask again, what has this Council achieved since the creation of this mandate amidst consistent objection and non-recognition by Burundi? And for how long does the Council intend to do so? We implore the Council to prioritize dialogue and engagement. It should refrain from imposing decisions and resolutions for implementation without the support of the concerned country because they are rendered unimplementable. And finally, we request the Council to provide the necessary technical support and capacity to Burundi as and when they request. Thank you, Madam Vice President.